Hi students, today we will discuss about the topic of interface as implementation. In this video, we will discuss about what is interface and what is implementation, what are the difference between interface and implementation. So let us see that. What is interface? What is interface? An interface is a set of action. An interface is a set of action that an object can do. What is interface? An interface is a set of action that an object can do. So the interface just defines what an object can do, but it does not actually do it. So this is interface. Next, what is implementation? Implementation carries out of instructions defined in the interface. Interface means instructions. Instructions defined in the interface. Instructions means the operations declared in the interface. Here, interface defines what an object can do, but it does not actually do it. Interface can't do anything. Actually, the implementation is doing all the things, but we cannot see it. We can see this object. We cannot see the implementation and operations behind the object. Interface defines an object visibility to the outside world. Interface defines object's visibility. So here the object can be visible by others, which means the object can be seen by outside world. So we can also see object. Next, in object-oriented programmings, classes are the interface. Classes are called as interface. And how the object is processed and executed is called implementation. Okay, in object oriented programming, classes are called interface, and how the object is processed and executed, is called implementation. So this is about the difference between interface and implementation. Coming to the next topic, characteristics of interface. You have to remember these 2 points also. The class template specifies the interfaces to enable an object to be created and operated properly. Here, why class templates specify the interfaces? For what purpose? The class template specify the interfaces for which purpose? To check whether the object is working properly or not. The class template specify the interfaces to check the object is created and operated properly or not. Next point, an object's attributes and behaviors are controlled by sending functions to the object. Attributes and behaviors means what? We call these attributes as data members, properties. This we can call these attributes as data members, properties and states, etc. We can call this behavior tasks, member functions. So attributes are the physical parts of the object. Let us take one example. Person. This person having attributes such as what? Eyes, ears, mouth, hands. These are the physical parts of a person. So these are called attributes. And what is behavior? Behavior means tasks that is performed by the object. Task means what? Walking, walk, talk, and It. These are the tasks that will be performed by the person. So here these are attributes and these are behaviors. So the objects, attributes and behaviors are controlled by sending functions to the object. Sending functions to the object. So this is the characteristics of interface. So now let me tell you some real-time example for interface versus implementation. Suppose if you want to start a fan, then there would be a switch. When you on the switch, the fan starts. If the switch is not there, is it possible to start the fan? No. Behind the switch, there may be some circuit having 2 or 3 wires. When those wires joins together, so the fan will work. This is the internal working of the fan. But you doesn't care about this internal working of the fan. You just presses the switch and the fan starts. Here switch is used to start a fan, but switch doesn't know anything. So here switch is the interface. What is interface? Interface is a set of action that an object can do, but this object does not actually do it. Here the switch is the interface. You are the calling object and fan is the called object. Let us see another one real-time example. Suppose you are driving a car. If you want to increase the speed of the car, then what you will do? You just presses the accelerator. But you doesn't care about that how accelerator works, how this accelerator increasing the speed and how it will works. You doesn't care about this all the things. Here accelerator is called interface. The engine of the car is doing all the things. The fuel, air, pressure and electricity come together to create the power to move the car. But you doesn't care about this internal working of the engine. You just want to go faster. So you just presses the accelerator to increase the speed. So here, what is interface? This accelerator is interface between you and car. Here you means driver is calling object, car is called object. But implementation is what? Implementation is how the interface will works and operations and instructions performed by the engine. Here behind the switch, behind the accelerator. This is called the implementation.